In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly remove unwanted elements from your photos using Photopea, a powerful free online photo editing tool. Whether you're new to photo editing or just want to clean up your images without the hefty price tag of other software, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in and transform your snapshots into stunning works of art. First, we'll start by accessing Photopea, which is an online platform, meaning there's no need to download anything onto your computer. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Photopea in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears, and voila, you've entered the Photopea workspace. It should look somewhat familiar if you've used any photo editing software before. Once you're in Photopea, go ahead and open the image you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on File in the top left corner and selecting Open. Navigate to your image's location on your device and it will open up right in the workspace. Now comes the exciting part, removing those unwanted elements from your picture. For this task, we'll use the lasso tool, which you'll find on the toolbar on the left side of the screen. The icon looks like a little rope loop, and it's designed for selecting areas of your image with precision. With the lasso tool selected, go ahead and draw around the object or area you wish to remove. As you carefully outline the section, you'll see a dotted line appear indicating your selection. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to keep close to the edges of the object for a cleaner edit. Once you've made the selection, you'll move on to the next step, which involves using the Content-Aware Fill feature, a fantastic tool that helps fill in the selected area by matching it with the surrounding content. To do this, simply go up to the Edit menu at the top of the screen and click on Fill. A dialog box will appear, and here you'll want to change the Fill option to Content Aware. Once done, click OK. Photopea will then work its magic, intelligently analyzing the surrounding pixels and filling the selected area with matching content. In most cases, this will seamlessly remove the unwanted elements from your photo, leaving you with a clean, polished image. And just like that, you're done. Your photo should now be free of any distractions, with the original composition thoughtfully preserved. Feel free to experiment with this method on different pictures to see just how versatile it can be. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these tools, the more adept you'll become at creating beautifully edited images. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to enhance your digital creativity with ease. Until next time, happy editing!